Join me today, guys, when I ask my coworkers what the highlights of their summer has been so far. Darius, what's the highlight of your summer been so far?
Seeing my son's face in the ultrasound.
That is awesome.
We doing it.
Janae, what's the highlight of your summer been?
Taking my dog Prince swimming.
That's fun. Jeff, what's the highlight of your summer been so far?
Cruise.
Mrs. Gwen Moore, what's the highlight of your summer been?
Getting married.
Hey, Mickey, what's the highlight of your summer been?
That would be 4th of July.
Awesome. Did you do something fun with awesome people?
I sure did.
Hey, Stan, what's been the highlight of your summer?
Moving up here to Milwaukee and joining this awesome group that we have up here.
Hey, Shalonda, what's the highlight of your summer been?
My new CX-30 Mazda.
Awesome. Finance Manager Noah, what's the highlight of your summer been?
Highlight of my summer was doing 11 deals on Saturday by myself.
Thank you for that. Lastly, guys, the highlight of my summer, not only did I get to see my best friend get married, got to go to my favorite music festival, but the highlight was definitely the family vacation I was able to take with my parents, siblings, nieces, and nephews. So hope you guys are all having a fantastic summer. And remember, we are open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And Saturdays, we are here from 9 to 5. So for all your vehicle needs, please stop in.